Number 1. Push-ups, the foundation chest builder. Push-ups are one of the most effective bodyweight exercises for building a bigger, stronger chest. They primarily target the pectoralis major while also engaging the shoulders, triceps, and core muscles. One of the biggest advantages of push-ups is that they require no equipment, making them perfect for beginners and advanced fitness enthusiasts alike. Performing this exercise consistently can increase muscle endurance, improve upper body strength, and stimulate chest muscle growth. To perform a proper push-up, start in a high plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Tighten your core and slowly lower your body until your chest is just above the floor. Pause briefly, then push yourself back up by pressing through your palms. Focus on controlling both the lowering and lifting phases instead of rushing through the movement. For maximum chest growth, complete 3-4 sets of 10-15 repetitions. As you become stronger, try advanced variations such as decline push-ups, diamond push-ups, or weighted push-ups to challenge your muscles further. Remember to breathe properly by inhaling as you lower yourself and exhaling as you push upward. Avoid common mistakes like letting your hips sag, flaring your elbows too far outward, or using partial repetitions. Maintaining good form ensures that your chest muscles receive the maximum workload while reducing the risk of injury. Combined with proper nutrition and adequate recovery, push-ups can become one of the most powerful exercises for developing a broader, more muscular chest. Number 2. Barbell bench press, the king of chest exercises. The barbell bench press is widely considered the gold standard for building chest size and strength. This classic compound movement targets the pectoral muscles while also recruiting the shoulders and triceps, allowing you to lift heavier weights and stimulate greater muscle growth. Whether your goal is increasing muscle mass or improving upper body power, the bench press should be a key part of your training routine. Begin by lying flat on a bench with your feet firmly planted on the floor. Grip the bar slightly wider than shoulder width and keep your wrists straight. Unrack the bar and slowly lower it toward the middle of your chest while keeping your elbows at about a 45-degree angle. Once the bar lightly touches your chest, press it upward until your arms are fully extended without locking your elbows aggressively. Aim for 3-5 sets of 8-12 repetitions using a weight that challenges you while maintaining proper form. Progressive overload is essential. Gradually increase the weight over time to continue building muscle. Always use a spotter when lifting heavy weights for safety. Avoid bouncing the bar off your chest or lifting your hips off the bench, as these habits reduce effectiveness and increase injury risk. Keep your shoulder blades pulled back throughout the movement to create a stable pressing position. When combined with consistent training, sufficient protein intake, and quality sleep, the barbell bench press can dramatically increase chest thickness, strength, and overall upper body development, making it an essential exercise for anyone serious about building a bigger chest. Number 3. Incline dumbbell press, build the upper chest. If you want a full, well-shaped chest, the incline dumbbell press is a must. This exercise emphasizes the upper portion of the pectoral muscles, helping create a fuller and more balanced appearance. Unlike the flat bench press, dumbbells allow each arm to move independently, improving muscle activation and correcting strength imbalances. Set an adjustable bench to a 30-45-degree incline. Sit back with a dumbbell in each hand resting on your thighs. Lift the dumbbells to shoulder level with your palms facing forward. Press the weights upward until your arms are nearly straight, then slowly lower them until you feel a deep stretch across your upper chest. Maintain full control throughout every repetition. Perform 3-4 sets of 8-12 repetitions with a weight that allows proper technique. Concentrate on squeezing your chest muscles at the top of each repetition rather than simply moving the weights. Slow, controlled movements produce better muscle activation than fast repetitions. Avoid setting the bench too steep as it shifts more work to the shoulders instead of the chest. Also, avoid dropping the weights too quickly or locking your elbows at the top. Keeping continuous tension on the chest muscles helps maximize muscle growth. Adding the incline dumbbell press to your weekly chest routine creates balanced development between the upper and lower chest. Over time, this exercise contributes to a broader, more defined upper body while improving overall pressing strength. Combined with progressive overload and consistent recovery, it is one of the best exercises for building an impressive chest. Number 4. Chest dips, build lower chest thickness. Chest dips are an outstanding bodyweight exercise for developing the lower chest while also strengthening the shoulders and triceps. Unlike standard dips that focus heavily on the triceps, leaning your torso slightly forward shifts more of the workload onto the chest muscles. This makes chest dips one of the most effective movements for increasing lower chest thickness and creating a well-defined physique. Start by gripping parallel bars firmly and lifting yourself until your arms are straight. Cross your ankles behind you and lean your upper body forward approximately 30 degrees. Slowly lower yourself by bending your elbows until your shoulders are slightly below elbow level or until you feel a comfortable stretch in your chest. Push yourself back to the starting position by squeezing your chest muscles throughout the movement. Complete 3-4 sets of 8-12 repetitions. Beginners can use an assisted dip machine or resistance bands for support, while advanced lifters can wear a weighted dip belt to increase resistance. Keep your movements controlled and avoid swinging your body or rushing through repetitions. Lower yourself smoothly and avoid excessive shoulder strain by maintaining proper posture. If you experience shoulder discomfort, reduce the range of motion until your mobility improves. Chest dips provide a deep stretch that encourages muscle growth while improving functional upper body strength. When performed consistently with progressive overload and proper recovery, they help create a thicker lower chest, improve overall muscle definition, and enhance athletic performance. This exercise deserves a permanent place in any serious chest building workout routine. Number 5. Cable chest fly, perfect for muscle definition. The cable chest fly is one of the best isolation exercises for maximizing chest muscle activation and improving definition. Unlike pressing movements, cable flies maintain constant tension throughout the entire range of motion, allowing you to fully contract the chest muscles during every repetition. This makes the exercise highly effective for shaping the chest and improving the mind-muscle connection. Stand between two cable pulleys adjusted slightly above shoulder height. Hold one handle in each hand and step forward into a staggered stance. With a slight bend in your elbows, bring both handles together in front of your chest in a wide hugging motion. Squeeze your chest muscles at the point of maximum contraction, then slowly return to the starting position while maintaining control and feeling a deep stretch. Perform 3-4 sets of 12-15 repetitions using a moderate weight. Focus on quality contractions rather than lifting heavy loads. Slow, controlled repetitions are far more effective than using momentum. Avoid bending your elbows excessively or allowing your shoulders to roll forward during the movement. Keep your chest lifted, shoulders back, and core engaged throughout the exercise. Proper technique ensures the chest muscles perform most of the work instead of the shoulders. Cable chest flies are an excellent finishing exercise after heavy presses because they fully fatigue the chest muscles and increase blood flow for a powerful muscle pump. Combined with compound exercises like the bench press and incline press, cable flies help create a fuller, wider, and more sculpted chest. Consistent training, proper nutrition, and sufficient recovery will produce noticeable improvements in chest size and overall upper body appearance.